Hello, I am 하윤. 오늘은 Pigs make me sneeze를 한번 읽어볼게요. Pigs make me sneeze. Actually, pigs make me sneeze. Sure. What do you want to do today? I want a yes, a what, a bowl, a sweat, a hat. Gee. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Huh? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Butcher, no, do not speak. It is too late. 물 차고 갑니다. Goodbye, George. Sniff. Are you okay, George? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I